In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube channel. Once you start a YouTube channel or you create a new YouTube account, you need to verify your YouTube channel. If you don't verify your YouTube channel, you will not post videos on it. Before, if you don't verify it, you can post videos, but you cannot post thumbnail. But this time around, you need to verify it before you start posting video. So to do that, just open your YouTube, click on this create icon like you want to upload a video. Click on upload video, select the video you want to upload. So once the video is done uploading, by the time you publish it, it will ask you to verify, okay? Or when you're about to upload a thumbnail, it will ask you to verify. So either ways, however the verification notice comes up, this is how to verify it. So let's say I want to upload a thumbnail. It says I need to verify my phone number, so I'll click on verify. So once you come to the point whereby you're asked to verify your phone number, just click on verify, then you enter your phone number. So let me enter my phone number. So you select text or call. I prefer text, then you click next. So they're going to send a verification number to your phone, then you enter it to submit. So I've received the code and I've entered it. I will click on submit. Can you see phone number verified? So this means that my phone number has been verified and the YouTube account is also verified. So this is how to verify your YouTube account with your phone number.